Kruegermann Pickle Company originates back to Germany. My great-great-grandfather, 1896 or so. My father left Germany because it was East Germany, it was communist, and the wall came up and they took our factory away. And he wanted his own factory. In 1961, we emigrated to the United States and ended up in Los Angeles. A lot of these products are a little bit old school. They're meant for the shelf. They're not refrigerated, but you know what? You can keep it on your shelf without refrigeration, and 6 months into it, you open it up, and it tastes delicious, tastes fresh. Well, there's two ways to acidify these type of products. Either you do it with vinegar and acid to bring the pH down, or you ferment it. There are ways to ferment all food products. A million different ways of making pickle. I like all kinds of pickles. I just don't want the same pickle every day.